So we just removed a bad control arm from a 2013 Mazda CX-5. The ball joint is fucked. This is the noise that I was getting every day driving the car. When I would hit the brakes, I would hear it. When I was going over potholes, I would hear it. And this is how it's supposed to sound. Like nothing.